NASA is accelerating preparations for Artemis III, a crewed Earth orbit mission designed to test critical systems needed for future lunar landings. Although the mission will not travel directly to the Moon, NASA considers it a vital step before astronauts return to the lunar surface during Artemis IV. The mission will focus on testing rendezvous and docking operations between the Orion spacecraft and commercial lunar landers being developed by SpaceX and Blue Origin. NASA added the Earth orbit mission earlier this year to reduce risks and improve operational readiness for future Moon missions near the lunar South Pole. Jeremy Parsons, acting Assistant Deputy Administrator for NASA's Moon to Mars program, described Artemis III as one of the agency's most complex missions ever attempted. He said NASA will coordinate multiple spacecraft, astronauts, and commercial partners in a single mission, helping engineers and crews understand how all systems work together before humans attempt long-term lunar operations. The mission will launch aboard NASA's Space Launch System rocket from Kennedy Space Center with 4 astronauts inside the Orion spacecraft. Instead of using the rocket's interim cryogenic propulsion stage, NASA plans to use a non-propulsive spacer that matches the upper stage dimensions and connection points. Once Orion reaches orbit, its European-built service module will help establish a stable low Earth orbit. NASA says the Earth orbit profile offers greater flexibility for testing SpaceX's Starship human landing system and Blue Origin's Blue Moon Mark II lander compared with a direct lunar mission. One of the mission's main objectives is to validate Orion's docking capabilities. Astronauts may also board at least one of the commercial lander test vehicles, allowing NASA to evaluate crew transfers, spacecraft systems, and operational coordination between government and private sector technologies. Artemis III astronauts are expected to spend longer in space than the Artemis II crew, giving NASA more time to study life support systems, crew health, and spacecraft habitability. NASA is additionally studying the possibility of evaluating Axiom Space's AxiomU lunar spacesuit systems during the mission. The Artemis program is part of NASA's broader strategy to establish a long-term human presence on the Moon while preparing for future crewed missions to Mars.